Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the chapter number 5 of Geography class 6, major domains of the Earth. Now starting with, we will discuss the three major domains of Earth. That is, we can say that three main domains of Earth. We will discuss that. That is lithosphere. We can say that is lithosphere, that is atmosphere, and the next one is hydrosphere. The first important domain, that is we will talk about, that is lithosphere. The next is that's atmosphere, and the third one, that is hydrosphere. And there's a region where the three domains merge, that we will call as biosphere. Where the three domains merge, that very portion that we call as biosphere. And so where you have lithos means land, atmosphere means composition, component of air, and this is where we have component of water, and when all these three things merge, when all these three domains merge, the anthrax is that we call as biosphere, where life is possible, where life exists, where here we have life forms. The three main domains. Now we will talk about this very domain that's called a lithosphere. We will discuss that very thing here. So when we talk about lithosphere, this is the solid portion. This is the solid portion of Earth, and it comprises of rocks, and it's called Earth's crust. That's very thin layer of soil is there, and that it contains also the nutrient elements, lithosphere, that are very essential for sustaining organisms or sustaining life. This is the solid portion of Earth that we call as lithosphere. The land masses they are here known as continents, and the huge water bodies are known as ocean bases. Huge water bodies that are known as ocean bases. And there we have the map showing that very continents, that's Pacific Ocean, that's Atlantic Ocean, that's Indian Ocean, that is Southern Ocean, that's Antarctica. These are shown in that map very well. So when we talk about that very lithosphere, when we talk about the sea level, so that is highest point, and that's Mount Everest. Sea level is the base. When we take sea level as the base, so we have Mount Everest, that is 8,848 kilometers high, and we have another one, that is Mariana Trench, deepest, that is 11,022 meters deep. So deepest region, if you talk about deepest region, that is Mariana Trench, that is 11,022 meters deep. And if we talk about the highest region, that is Mount Everest, that's 8,848. These two forms the extremes of the lithosphere. Then we have the continents there. There are 7 more continents, that is Europe, that's we call Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Talking about the Asia, this is called the largest continents, and it covers 1/3 of the total land of the largest continents. If we talk about largest continents, Asia, and it covers 1/3 of the land of the Earth. And moving towards next, Asia, Europe, that is smaller than Asia. And moving towards next to, that's Africa. It's the second largest continent, second largest continent, Africa. And there's a point equator which passes between the Africa. We'll show that in the figure of three men. The only best point here is that Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Corona Pass and equator that passes through the Africa. And one more important thing in the Africa is that there lies in the Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert lies in that very continent, and a water body, largest river, lies in that Africa, that is Nile River. Nile River. That is about the continent, about Asia, Europe and Africa, and Northern America, South America. And in the inshallah next video we will discuss these very 3-4 continents. And till then, goodbye.